Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to oil a fishing reel. First, let's get organized. You'll need a quality fishing reel oil, a clean cloth, and some cotton swabs. Set up your workspace in a well-lit area, perhaps on a clean towel, to keep track of all parts. This simple preparation is crucial for effective maintenance and will help your reel perform its best for many seasons. Now let's get to cleaning. Begin by carefully removing the spool. Simply unscrew the drag knob until it comes off. This exposes the main shaft. Gently wipe down the shaft with your clean cloth, removing any visible dirt or old oil. For smaller, harder-to-reach areas and exposed bearings, cotton swabs are perfect for a thorough cleaning. Remember, never apply oil to a dirty surface. With your reel clean, it's time to lubricate. Apply just 1 or 2 drops of reel oil to the main shaft where the spool sits. Also, put 1 drop on each of the handle bearings. For the bail arm, add a single drop to each joint and the line roller bearing, then open and close the bail a few times to work the oil in. A tiny bit of oil on the handle knob and its joint will keep it spinning freely. Finally, reassemble your reel, making sure every part is securely in place. Once it's back together, give the handle a few turns to distribute the oil and check for smooth operation. For optimal performance, oil your reel every 2 to 3 fishing trips, or at least once a month if you fish frequently. This simple routine will keep your reel in excellent condition for years to come.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.